Welcome to my channel. Reset Arlo camera. Factory reset Arlo camera from your Arlo account. Launch the Arlo Secure App or log in to your Arlo account at my.arlo.com. Tap or click Settings greater than My Devices and select the camera you want to reset. Tap or click Remove Device. Tap or click Yes to confirm that you want to remove the camera from your account. Return to the Devices page. Tap Add New Device. Select your Arlo device. Select your Arlo model. Follow the prompts to reconnect your camera to your Wi-Fi network, base station, or smart hub. Factory reset an Arlo camera with the sync button. Unmount your camera and find the sync button. The location of the sync button varies for different camera models. Press and hold the sync button for about 15 seconds, until the camera LED begins blinking blue, then release the button. Launch the Arlo Secure App. Tap or click Settings greater than My Devices and select the camera you just reset. Tap or click Remove Device. Tap or click Yes to confirm. Return to the Devices page and tap or click Add New Device. Select your Arlo device. Select your Arlo model. Follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network, base station, or smart hub. Thanks for watching.